In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a custom domain to Lovable 2026. We'll walk through linking a domain you already own, and we'll also look at buying a brand new domain directly inside Lovable. By the end, your project will be ready to load on a clean, professional URL. Start by opening Lovable and heading to the project you want to publish. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and project so the domain attaches to the right app. Once your project loads, look toward the top or side navigation and open Settings. This is where all project level configuration lives, including your domain controls. Inside Settings, switch to the Domains tab. This tab centralizes domain connection and purchasing options, so you don't have to jump around. You'll see options to connect an existing custom domain or buy a new one, depending on what you need. If you already own a domain with a registrar, choose Connect Domain. Lovable will guide you through the connection flow. You may be asked to confirm the action again, so go ahead and click Connect Domain when prompted. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions. Lovable runs checks and shows you what it needs to finish the connection. Keep an eye on any status messages. Those will tell you when everything is recognized and ready. If you don't have a domain yet, select Buy New Domain. In the search box, type your desired domain carefully, including the extension like .com or .io. Try a few variations if your first choice isn't available. Short, memorable names tend to work best. When you find an available option you're happy with, proceed by clicking Buy Domain. Lovable will handle the purchase workflow for you and associate the domain with your project automatically. After you've connected a domain or completed a purchase, click Go Back to return to the domains page. Here, you should see your domain listed with a status indicator. It's normal for domains to take a little time to fully activate. If you've just made changes, give it a few minutes and refresh the page to check progress. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Double check spelling before you buy or connect, especially if you're using a subdomain. Keep an eye on the status messages in the Domains tab for real-time updates. And remember that brief processing time is expected before everything goes live. That's it. You opened your project, went to Settings, used the Domains tab, connected an existing domain or bought a new one, and then returned to confirm it's listed. Congratulations, your Lovable project is now set up to use a custom domain.